Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very interesting opportunity. But before we give you the details,
don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Scholarships Corner. Click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates on new and interesting videos. Visit our community tab and join our Telegram channel for daily updates on your phone on a daily basis. Click on this link to subscribe to our Telegram channel.
in this video we will give you details about the Youth Break the Boundaries Leaders Camp 2023 in Jakarta, Indonesia. The program is from May 22 to 24, 2023. The registration period is February 27th to March 28, 2023. So let's see some details about the program before the application process. Are you looking for a life-changing experience that will help you grow personally and professionally? Are you passionate about making a difference in the world and want to connect with like-minded individuals? Look no further than the Young Leaders Camp in Indonesia. The program is designed for young leaders who are committed to driving positive change and want to gain valuable leadership insight. With a range of workshops, seminars, and cultural activities, this fully funded leadership program provides a unique opportunity for participants to develop their skills, expand their network, and make a lasting impact. The Youth Leadership Camp 2023 offers a transformative experience that goes beyond just developing leadership skills. Participants will have the opportunity to immerse themselves in Indonesian culture, explore the beauty of the country, and connect with a diverse group of young leaders from around the world. From networking events to team building exercises, participants will have the chance to learn and grow together. The event details. The event date is May 22nd to 24th, 2023. The event location is Jakarta, Indonesia. You can call us or send us an email. You can see about the event schedule. You can also see detailed guidelines by downloading this document and you can see all the details. These are some pictures of the previous event. So let's move toward the application process. To start your application, click on sign up. You have to sign up your account, add your full name, your email and a password, and then click on sign up. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page. You have to go to my account and click on your profile. Then you will be redirected to the dashboard. You haven't submitted your registration form. Click on submit it now. Add your basic details. Add your full name, your birth date, your gender, address, nationality, occupation. Add your field of study, your institution, WhatsApp number, Instagram account, emergency contact details, contact relation, disease history. Add your t-shirt size and then click on next. The next question is other information. Add your experience, your achievements, your social projects. Add your talents and then click on next. The next step is some questions. What potential collaborations do you expect with Indonesia? And what will you do for society if you are selected to join this program? After answering these questions, click on Next. How do you know about this program? Select Others, your source account name, your Tweebin link, share requirement proof link, your referral code if you have received any referral code, and then click on Next. Then you have to upload a photo of yourself, and the next step is payment and submission. Click on I agree. The application process is quite simple, so don't waste any time and start your application. We hope that this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.